Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video today here on Blessed to Invest. And today is going to be just a discussion video talking about something I talked about toward the end of the year, and that is real estate investing. I'm starting to get into real estate now, starting to look at different properties, different property values, and that brings up a point where, is this the right time to buy a house? Because I've been house searching, I've seen interest rates, I've seen prices of houses, and if you have been looking at the market, it's skyrocketing right now. Right now, last year around this time, you could get interest rates on a property for like 2%, maybe 3%. If your credit is pretty bad, maybe a little higher than that. For me, my credit's really good. I'm in the 700s, the upper 700s, so I'm pretty good with that. I can probably get one of the best interest rates possible. But even still, right now, interest rates are going to be around 5% for a house, which is crazy. On top of that, the Fed also raised interest rates last week by a quarter percentage point. So that's not helping the cause. And on top of that, they did say they are planning to continue to raise interest rates. They're saying 7. I don't see 7. I see maybe like 4 toward the end of this year. So if that's the case, we're going to be looking at about 1.5% interest in the Federal Reserve. So that brings us up to maybe like 5, maybe like 6%, maybe 7% on houses, on housing mortgage prices, which is absolutely ridiculous. So it makes me wonder, is this the right time to buy a house, or should you wait? For me, I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why you should buy now. Before we get into that, make sure you leave a like on this video, smash the like button. That's the first thing I need to do, and also sub down below. But for a couple of reasons why I think you should buy a property now, this is why I'm personally looking, is because the way the Fed is playing the market right now, they are raising interest rates and they're also printing a lot of money. Our economy is built on debt and money printing. The same way a couple years ago, well, not a couple years, 2020, 21, we had all the stimmy checks coming out, and we had all like the $3 trillion bills coming out. It drove prices up. Inflation skyrocketed. Not only housing went up, but everything went up. We're seeing gas go up. We're seeing food go up. We're seeing energy costs go up. We're seeing cars are getting more expensive now. To get like a used car, if you're looking to buy like a new or used car, everything's going up. So with that going on, I don't think the market is going to crash. Might be wrong. I'll come back a year later like, oh man, the market crashed. But I think this is more a symptom of inflation than people going out to buy a property. And if that is the case, that means inflation is going to continue because the Fed is going to continue to print money. Our system is built on money printing, and they're not going to let that stop. We've let it go on for over 20 years now. We started QE a while ago, before Biden was in office, before Trump was in office, before Obama was in office. And I think QE is going to continue. Forget the presidents. Just think about the Federal Reserve chairman. They've kept money printing going for this long. So it's not going to stop. They have a vested interest in keeping the stock market up, keeping the real estate market up. And the only way to do that is to continue to print money. So if you're nervous about getting into the market right now, I say definitely get in. That's what I'm doing. You do need to just figure out what is the best thing to buy. So right now I'm looking in hot areas. I'm looking in popular areas, and I'm going and expecting like, look, I'm going to have to buy something a little bit more expensive. For me, I was looking in, I'm from Baltimore. So I was looking in like the DC area, like the Baltimore, DC area, and somewhere in between. So I can get the best of both worlds, where if I were to buy a property, somebody would be close enough to Baltimore if they wanted to go to Baltimore, and close enough if they wanted to go to DC. So it's like that best of both worlds, where we can get that senator money, those the representative money, that lobbyist money, if somebody wants to rent my property. So that's the area I'm looking in. I was looking at a property for about $300,000. Last year it was like 250. Now it's easily going for three. Properties in the area that were like $500,000, like 400,000, are now over $500,000. So it looks like properties have gone up about, I estimate maybe like 20%. If you look at the numbers, like the official numbers, if you go for look it up, like the national average, it's about 25%, which sounds about right for my area if I'm getting like 20%. So that's what you're going to expect from this area if you're looking to buy a property. Really, for me, I'm looking at something where I can like get like a nice little duplex, like a multi-unit property, where I can have multiple renters in there and I only have one mortgage. I'm trying to get multiple doors. The goal right now is to get maybe, I'm trying to get like 4 or 5 doors in the next couple of years. So whether that is like a couple 2 units, or that is maybe like a 5-plex or something like that. However I do that, that's how I want to get that done. So right now, mainly looking at a lot of duplexes. The market for them is really low. As soon as they hop on the market, they're gone. So I'm also looking at like for sale by owner, like low key off the market stuff. And really, I'm curious to know people that are looking for properties. I want y'all to leave it in the comments. Like, what are y'all doing? Are y'all going the realtor route? Are you doing like a off market type deals? Where are y'all finding y'all deals? And what type of property are you looking for? Are you looking for like a single family home? Are you looking for a duplex? Are you looking for like a quad or something like that? Because I know a lot of people aren't looking for just multi-unit properties. Everybody on here is not going to be like some time big investor. So I want to know from the people that are buying, maybe like you want to get into your first house. You're looking at just something you can personally live in. Maybe you're looking for that, something like that. Or maybe you're looking for a rental unit where you can rent out and make some money from it. I want to hear in the comments down below what y'all are doing. But that's what I'm doing. I'm going to continue on the path. I just need to put a little bit more money down than before. But I think once we get in there, it's going to be good. We will continue to ride the wave, because the way things are setting up, interest rates are going to continue to go. So you might as well buy it now. Interest rates are going to go higher. So that's going to make it more expensive. And then on top of that, the Fed is going to continue to print money. They say they're done, but there's no way it's done. It's not happening. So get into this real estate market. It's going to be exciting. Don't believe the hype. Everybody talking about the market's going to crash. Everything's going down. You're going to be able to get bottom bare prices again. I think this is the new norm. So I'm ready to hop in. I'm excited. A little nervous though, to be honest with you. This will be my first one. So a little nervous, trying to figure out, okay, what do I do? Do the numbers work, et cetera, et cetera. But I got a great realtor working with me, great lender that's working with me. And I'm excited to see where this thing goes. So I'm going to keep y'all updated on how the market looks, what I'm looking at. And I'm probably going to do like a tour of some properties soon. I just got to get like a schedule in place where I can actually take some time to go look at something. So, but yeah, I woke up, y'all updated. But that's going to wrap it up for the video today. Let me know down in the comments below what y'all think. And it's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga blessed.